Hi, and welcome everyone. My name is Robert Mardirosyan. I'm a full-time faculty at Los Angeles City College Mathematics Department. And in this short video, I want to go over one of the courses we offer in that department, and that's Math 236, which is business calculus. So in this video, I want to go over, first I want to share my Canvas page with you and then go over the details of the course. And I'm going to probably be using some mathematical terms that you're not familiar with. But again, once you take the course, you'll know what they are and how they are used. So let me share my Canvas page with you. So again, this is Math 236. It's calculus for social science majors, and I taught this course last semester. I've been teaching this course for a while now. Last time I taught the course was last semester, spring of 2023. So if I want to click on the syllabus, I'm not gonna share all the items with you. I always organize my courses in the modules, and these are the modules. Now, let me click on the syllabus. What I'm going to share with you today is just the course, and so you can get a good idea of what the course is about, what's covered in that course, and why it's good to take this course. Now, Math 236, we're going to go over the course description, and the question is, what is business calculus? Let me click on this. Now, business calculus at Los Angeles City College is Math 236, and the course description at LACC's course catalog, it says limits, derivatives, optimization, anti-derivatives, and definite integrals, and application in business, economics, and social sciences. So again, some of the terms that are in this page may not be familiar, you may not be familiar with, but again, once you take the course, you'll understand what they are. The course content, mainly the course covers differential and integral calculus with focusing on topics such as compound interest, marginal analysis, and elasticity of demand, and so on. So I didn't list all the topics, just the main ones for you to get an idea what goes on in this course. And of course, you're going to learn all this, and you're going to learn how to apply this in the business world. I put a note here: business calculus does not cover trigonometry or theory. If you take calculus 1, 2, 3, you're gonna be seeing a lot of trigonometry and proofs also in theory. But this course, business calculus, is very applied course, and basically you're gonna learn the topics you need to use them, as I said, in the business world. Majors requiring business calculus, I just listed the ones I know and I remembered, and students I have seen. However, if you're planning to take this course, it's a very good idea to talk to a counselor. And if you're a business major, you for sure have to take this course. Some schools require calculus 1 and 2, and some schools require this course. So the majors are business and administration, economics, finance, marketing, management, and accounting. So again, the ones that I listed, because I had students having those majors and taking my class. But if you want to take the course, make sure to consult with an advisor or a counselor. The flow of the course, it's very important. So this course it's a calculus course, and if you haven't seen, we use limits in calculus. We start calculus with limits. Once you know how to calculate limits, to be fast, you calculate the limits by using the graphical method, the tabular method, and algebraic method. Then you get into the derivatives, but you have a good idea of the what limits are. Then you'll see the definition of the derivative. And derivatives are just another way of saying derivative is the differential right here. But finding the derivative of a function means differentiate the function. So basically, they are the same thing. So once again you learn about limits and you master limits, then if you master limits, then you really will understand the definition of the derivatives. And once you understand the definition, then there are techniques to calculate the derivative of functions. Then you're gonna learn how to do this the fastest way. Once you master derivatives, then we get into the application of derivatives, which I listed some of them here, like curve sketching, optimization. Optimization means minimizing and maximizing. A simple example of that will be in business world is if you have a company, you want to know how to minimize the cost and maximize the profits. And you will learn how to do this by using calculus, and it's pretty interesting. Demand function, elasticity of demand, marginal analysis. And again, I'm not going to explain every single term in this page, but elasticity of demand, for example, once you learn about elasticity of demand, if you have a company and you sell products, you want to know when is a good idea to raise the price or to lower the price. You can find all that by using elasticity and demand. And as I told you, it's a pretty interesting course or the topic. Once you're done with the derivatives, then you're going to get into integrals. Integrals are anti-derivatives. So then again, just like derivatives, there are techniques to find the integral of a function. And again, if you are not familiar with this term, take the course. And if you haven't seen calculus, you'll know what I'm talking about. But there are techniques to find the integral of functions. Once you learn those, then integrals have applications like exponential and growth decay, area between the curves, determining the total revenue, cost, and profits, customer and producer surplus, and so on. So you're going to learn. These are all, as you see, we start with mathematical terms like integration and derivatives, and we get into the business world like optimization, elasticity of demand, customer and producer surplus. I'm sure if you took economy, you know about these words, but then you will learn how it's related to mathematics. Now, the next question I put here is business calculus hard, and the answer is yes and no. Well, when we say hard, it's hard because it requires a lot of time. When this is a 5 units class, when you take this class, don't take 2 or 3 hard classes with this class because you need to spend a lot of time to learn the material. Now, the key to succeed in this class, again, it's I put here the student's effort. So it requires a lot of time and I'm gonna say patience too. And also I put the note, having a strong base in algebra is crucial for this course. So now the concept of calculus itself, it's not very hard. However, to do the limits, derivatives, integration, you need to know algebra. And it really needs a good basis in algebra. So if you're planning to take this course, make sure to refresh your algebra skill. When you take the course, and again, most professors do review the algebra, and I do that with my classes. However, the class itself has a lot of material, so professors cannot spend a lot of time in algebra. So make sure to do that. If you haven't taken the class, start from today. And the topics of algebra I can recommend for this class, I'm gonna just list them, tell them for fast. is factoring and multiplying or expanding polynomials, rules of exponents, roots and radicals, rational functions and expressions, finding the domain of functions, logarithmic and exponential functions and expressions, and so on. So these are good topics. You can start with them now until you take the class, and you'll see how helpful these are going to be with you. Now, let me go back to the Canvas page. The modules, the way I organize my course, and again, each professor is different. I organize the course in 4 modules, and I give them an exam in each module. The first half of the course is about differential calculus, and the second half is about integral calculus. And again, it depends all how your professor runs this course. When you take the course, make sure to go over the syllabus in detail and understand all your professor wants from this course. And that's another way to succeed in the course. So don't just look at the syllabus, go over that several times. That way you'll understand really what the professor requires and wants you to learn from this class. And I think that's it. I wish you the best luck for this class. I hope you succeed, and have a wonderful day.